Tired of having your eggs cooked the same way all the time? Well, change it up. Here's a different way to cook eggs. Sunday eggs. Fried, boiled, coated, a little bit of everything. A marvel, a surprising recipe that's also super tasty. Really easy to make, with just a few ingredients. And above all, very affordable. You have to try it. Look how amazing it looks. And there, so you can see the yolk even better. Here you go. Sunday eggs. An unbeatable recipe. I loved it, and so did everyone at home. First essential ingredient, eggs. 10 large eggs for now. But we'll need 2 more. For now, we boil these 10 eggs for 12 minutes in hot water. 12 minutes, not a minute more, not a minute less. This way, the boiled eggs will turn out perfect. After 12 minutes, they're done. So I take them out, run them under cold water for a moment, and without letting them cool down, I'm going to peel all of them. All 10 eggs. And then we cut them in half and leave them on a tray, on a plate, wherever you want, man. There you go. See? The yolk in the middle, the white around it. We need flour. 3 tablespoons more or less, just like that on a plate like this. And we're going to coat these egg halves with flour, you see? Like this, so it sticks to them. Always be careful, so the yolk doesn't roll out. Come on, you coat it. There you go. And you set them aside on a little plate. Well, here are the 2 eggs we talked about. Alright, what we're going to do is crack them and beat them as fast as possible. Grandma speed. In no time, we'll have this little beauty all beaten up. And what we're going to do is dip our eggs, which are already boiled and floured, into the egg. There it is. Don't let it get away. It looks like it's alive. And from here we go to the pan over medium-high heat. Out of the 16 settings, this one has. Set it to 4. I'll take it and dip it in egg. There we go. I'm really tempted to do it with my hand. Alright, in it goes, into the oil as well. And like that, we keep going. Frying all the eggs in hot oil. Let's go. We'll probably have to do it in 2 batches because this pan is too small to hold 20 egg halves. The good thing is I can tell you in advance that they fry super quickly. In just about 20 seconds per spoonful, you'll have it ready. We flip them over, fry the other side, while we check how golden the backside has turned out. Look! Aerial shot. As I was saying, we're on medium-high heat. And we're going to flip them, check. And they're already golden brown. So we take them out and set them aside. I'll use a paper towel to remove some of the oil. And when you're done, you'll have a big pile like this, which looks like it's finished. No, stay until the end. There's still half the recipe left. So let's prepare the sauce in which these eggs will be cooked. We need 2 cloves of garlic and we're just going to chop them finely. There we go. Let's move to a pan. A generous splash of good olive oil to saute and brown the garlic and onion. In goes the garlic. And right away, we add the onion. Here we have it. It's a medium-sized white onion, just a regular one. Since we don't have much money, we have to save. We chop it into small pieces and add it right away to the pot as soon as you see the garlic start to sizzle. And here it's going to soften. We keep adding ingredients. Pepper, half a pepper in my case. Green, but yellow would work too. You never know what yellow peppers are for. Well, they're good for this. We chop it up into small cubes and add it to the onion, which has been sauteing for about 20 seconds. Add salt to taste and saute. Well, not salt to taste, just a pinch, so it sweats and cooks faster. Second to last ingredient, flour. 1 tablespoon of flour, which we will add to the pot. As soon as we see that the onion and the pepper are well sauteed, they already have this fantastic toasted color. 20 seconds stirring the flour, so it also gets toasted and doesn't taste like flour, but tastes amazing. We keep adding broth. 300 milliliters of broth, which is about a cup and a little more. We add it to the mixture, stir a little, set it to medium heat, 20 seconds, and it will look like this right away. Now we add salt to taste. We've got it. And now we put the eggs back into the pot. Here we go. One by one, we place them in the pot. And I think all 20 will fit. There we go. Are all 20 in, or is there one missing? They're all in. 5 minutes, medium heat, gentle, well covered. Halfway through cooking, give it a stir so the sauce mixes well. Look! Let me give you a spectacular close-up of what we're making. After 5 minutes, it will be ready so you can take it to the table. Easy recipe, huevos de domingo. I'm just going to add a little bit of oregano. And if I had it, I'd sprinkle some freshly chopped parsley. Wonderful. Well, here you have the final result. There you go, huevos de domingo. Who can top that? An amazing recipe for very little money with a result that's truly wonderful. I'm going to plate some up. 2 little pieces. I'm gonna add the third one. Let's not be stingy. There it is. See how it looks here on the plate? Incredible. A little bit of the sauce. And the dish, I assure you, is amazing. Spielberg shot. See? So perfectly brown, so golden, so amazing. And now let's dig in with the fork. Bam, bam. Look. Did you see the layers? Look at the sauce. It's spectacular. And now another little piece. Let the yolk show. You have to make this recipe. You're going to love it. And more than one person will shed a tear. Spectacular. Very